Good morning, friends. We are in the Audi and, the blinker. We are in the Audi and we are headed to Syracuse, New York because, surprise, surprise, airbag light is back in the RS3. Yeah, we get to go back to the dealership, 90-minute drive. Woo! She's fast though. Oh yeah, that thing is good. Yeah, so anyway, I'm gonna drop it off, see what they say. I'm sure I'll have to leave it there. They will probably have to run a full diagnostics on it and everything. Now, while we are up there, we are also going to take a look at a 2018 Audi R8. We're going to go check it out. They've got a 2018 Audi R8. It's black with carbon fiber. All right, let's check in when we hit the highway. This stop sign always comes out of nowhere. Boom, right there. Okay, so this truck, it's cramping my style. That's it, no more. Early shift. There it is. Oh man, this thing is great. This thing is great. Just about to hop back on the highway. We are about 20 minutes out from the dealership and I'm kind of excited. I'm bummed that I have to drop my car off again. I love this car. I am gonna be bummed I have to drop it off again, but at least we get to go look at something cool. There's an R8 there, and obviously we're probably not going to be leaving with an R8 today, but at least we get to check it out. Okay, all right, we made it to Audi, dropping the car off. We have 36,243 miles, and gonna see what they say about that airbag light. And I think I saw an R8 sitting over there in the showroom, so let's go check it out. All right, we are ready to let her go, at least for now. It's always a bummer when I have to drop her off, but she needs it. Okay, here we are in the showroom at Audi. We're going to try to talk quietly so I don't disturb everyone. I did find out just now I have 1 month left of Audi warranty on my car. 1 month. Just made it. So we all know what we're here for. And I found her over here. Check out this RS7 though. Looking fresh in Nardo gray. Ooh, peanut butter interior, that is fresh. Gray with tan. Okay.
It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity.
This thing is sweet. Carbon ceramic brakes, carbon fiber. First impressions, it is nicer on the interior than the RS3. Got that V10 badge. Second impression, this thing is small. Third impression, convertible is definitely not the move. Yeah, this is sharp. I have to be honest though, the convertible option, in my opinion, ruins the car. It's a cool roadster option, so people can have the top down, but looks wise, it just ruins the car. Yeah, I mean, it looks okay from this angle. The back always looks good, but again, without the swoop of the coupe and the hardtop, it just looks like a Volkswagen or something like that. I hate to say that because I love the R8. I love the back end, but the convertible absolutely ruins it. Interior is nice though. Interior is nice. I love the carbon fiber. Love the cockpit. That virtual cockpit is sweet. Look at that carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. Yep. So, man, okay, so I guess the general consensus is convertible, not for me. Red stitching, also not for me. And I would have to go with some black wheels. But yeah, it's cool to see one in person and to start thinking about that. Should we upgrade the RS3 to an R8? Not this R8, but maybe one kind of like it. Maybe one spec'd like the RS3, triple black carbon fiber and carbon ceramic wheels, gray stitching maybe, instead of red. I don't know, we might have to look at a couple others. The problem is there aren't any close, so at least for now we get to clap an eye on this one, see what it's like. It is sharp, that back end. Check that out, that is sick.